In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a home on Zillow 2026 guide. Claiming your home is the key to managing your property's public profile, keeping an eye on your Zestimate, and even getting ready for a for sale by owner listing. It connects the home to your Zillow account and unlocks the owner dashboard, which is where a lot of useful tools live. Start by setting up your Zillow profile. Head to Zillow.com in any web browser. In the top right corner, select Join if you don't already have an account, or Sign in if you do. You can create an account with an email and password, or use Google or Apple to sign in quickly. A verified profile makes the rest of the process smoother and lets you take advantage of saved searches, personalized home reports, and alerts. Next, locate your property. Type your exact street address into the main search bar on the homepage and open the property's detail page. Take a moment to double check that it's the correct home by looking at the photos, the lot outline, and the pin on the map. Small address variations can bring up nearby homes, so make sure the details match. Now it's time to start the claim. On the property page, look near the top for the More dropdown, which is typically next to Edit Facts. Click More, then choose Claim Ownership. If you see Release Claimed Ownership instead, that means the home is already linked to an account. To switch accounts, you'll need to release the claim from the current one first and then claim it again under the desired account. Zillow will guide you through a quick verification to confirm you're the legal owner. You may be asked a few property-related questions, or you might receive a phone call or text using the number associated with your account. Make sure that number is current so you can receive the code or confirmation. Review and agree to Zillow's terms of use to complete the claim. Once claimed, head to your profile icon and open the Your Home section. You'll see the property in your My Homes list, and that's where you'll access the owner dashboard. From here, you can edit facts like square footage, bedroom and bathroom counts, and amenities so your public profile reflects accurate information. You can track your home's Zestimate and watch how local market trends influence your estimated value and equity over time. Claiming your home also helps prevent scams by making it harder for bad actors to list your property as a fake rental. And that is all for today. Claiming your home gives you full control over how your property is presented to the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.